ekisooka ndikusaba nti history bwa Busoga ky'abasinga kibwe beri kwogerebwa kujogerebwa obulambalamba guno mukuzi gwa kusatu nga mpulira nga bali kwogera ku myaka gino gyonka ayi wa kituufu okwira kweinuma Obusoga akoba teyagabaza tajjukira mu wampambo n'olwekyo emyaka 10 egyo gikali kutandika waliwo emirimu gavumenti ya Uganda gye yakola era yalinga oludegere olwagayitanga Obusoga ku gavumenti ndi kwidukiranga waliwo nako twatyama Kampala eyo ewange ng'ebyewa ky'abasinga bitabwire twamala olukikusa mwenda ez'obwire twakirisaganya niba nange bali baweraku nga bantu 20 nti ekyo tuwuune Bugembe tumenye kufuru nave kasa 12 najja okutuuka eyo naliyo Zenka ni Jennifer Kongo oyo Babulale Leto Polot Jomba tuwe twamena kufuru Busogere mu okutyama bagamo enjiri abatumbya mutaide do mwako mukaka twali naye so ena musimanga tijja street yaida kubine byambaga I have a part of this journey mpano baba ndikwenda kusooka kuira mu bintu nankani byayogera ondabo kyoto ekyo oluguudo teralikirira tuli kikolako ngaye amajeri bwe bidye akabine 5 nga tubanda mete bideri ebyo bikeke the ferry we have been talked about nilesa nokobera nti oluguudo lwo olfe wa Lugogo olubite Busalamu Nakabugu Bulopa tubudumbula endagano yasanibwa ido abaluka muri nsenga kwa president ndikasokanga mbawo tubona nga chorus so ndikubasika kasa kyaweire era so omwana ifayuge mwakemba kaleira okuba ko bantu ekyo kitukirire nolwo ekyo ekyebukungu muteralikira kyona tuli kigoba tusanga lokulira nti president alikwenda kwida ino kwogera ku byenanda kamba sabe nti bwanaida timwida kwemotya ndiba sawa timwemotya ensonga y'ebyenanda n'obuvubi nzibwene Busoga nerimwe nanda edisinga nole kyekigema ku byenanda bigema ku Busoga nole ekyo mutya mukobere ekituufu nti ekito kizibu atwala abasirikale ku nanda oba kyekyo bagobe obutimba obutundibwa mu maduuka tidye bubita kwa gavumenti ni eno revenue authority ebintu bibitaga kwida na watu abigule so mutya mumukobe wendi bawo ndi mukoba ekyo kubiri kigabagana na bibali usanga enta bakise bali ano ona boyidi oliga ndi kubanda report ya bibali yali ya miezi 2 ampantu kujja mu mwaka abataka ndikwenda kubakobera nti president yakoba ati Busoga Bukedi ni Kigezi bageme mpola batakuba mbibali era twamukoba nti ifo ofa mbibali oyino kutwekinde ekyo tukola kumagene nanda yaife n'enimiro yaife so ekyona bwanaida kasuni report n'abeetuse tujimwandulire nti ekintu kyetwatesa kikole ku mungeri eno ebyo ambizao baba kane base president ni government ya hagati olwemiro we budyo gamba ko yo feri otumase emyaka gisika vinga banda n'oluguudo natero kuida nebasa omulangira somi titaga ni mikwano gye abate ekyuma kyebikaza eno okusobola kwa bantu baife akatale ni employment ekyuma kiriyo ndikwenda kwebasa government olwa nuclear plant eri kuida ndikwenda bakakasa nti nuclear plant eyo eri kuidera ku oluguudo era tulikola kinene tuwente oluguudo luva Esaaka oluyita mu Kaliro lwire mu Kamuli lwire neeno lukubibwa chorus kiyinza okuba nga kiri immediate ayi kyetuligoba kubanga ebyuma ebya nuclear binatambula biza kwetaaga chorus asinga ono n'ettaka lyetutambulirako. Baba amufe ku report katono ku mirimu gyaife egy'obwakyabazinga. Mama Jovia abo bairozirawo eri emirimu gye gyembaire nga nkola nga njikola n'owekitiibwa Dr. abali wano emirimu gy'ekigangu tugezaako okunyambuliza aye kuba twava mu mbaga twakoba nti katukulinde mweno tukobere nga wenda okutandikira. Mu ngeri eyo twakobanga youth camps mu Iganga, mu Bugiri, e Mayuge ne Namayingo. December ni January twidda kuba ni youth camp e Idinda, e Ruka, e Bugweri, Namutumba, Kaliro, Buyende ni Kamuli. Omweni wona tukobera woli kwenda tutandikire. Baba emirimu gya tourism tugitambuliza n'okuripotinga nti twakatambula ku amasaza ana eri ebukono eri obusiki bunale bunanumba ne buna ng'ekigendererwa buli sasa tulonde mu ebifo bisatu ebyokutumbula obulambuzi getwogerera tulefo ana na bibiri bitwamala okutongoza. Tukali kujja Bugweri, tukali kujja Luuka, tukali kujja Bugabula Bibbi era tuddaji wena ku isatu olwa size yayo. Tukali kujja Butembe, tukali kujja Kigulu, kujja Bulamoji, tukalina kujja Bukoli. Aye nsubira nti omwaka guno kali kuwaaku idda kuba yona tumaze okubitayo nga tumaze okufuna ebifo ebyejja okutumbulira mu bulambuzi. Wabula nga ndogera ku bulambuzi tumwena mifu nti omwezi ogwere twali eno eri omwana waffe yakosebwa abaserikale era nkobye mwamira musaayi oyo ndikwenda ripoti ke basirikale abo abali tuduto olunaku olwo abawanga omwana w'emyaka 14 bamukosa babiri bati. Ndikwenda ripoti era ntumye minisita wa agenda aidha kuita abane family y'omwana eyo. Your Royal Highness Kyabazinga Obusoga William Nadiope, Your Highness Jovia Mutesi Inevanto Obusoga, Prince Yosia Nadiope, the Royal Chiefs Bambeda, Katukira Busoga Namyukavyo n'abagenyi bonabona abaliana Badiope bana mwebale ino kuida boyani baba olunaku lwa leero. Eno ni message. I congratulate His Royal Highness William Bafos Kadumbra, Governor Nadiope IV, Kyabazinga Obusoga Kingdom, and other people of Busoga Kingdom, upon reaching this great day of the King's 10th coronation anniversary. Your Royal Highness, on behalf of government, on behalf of the NRM party, and my own behalf, I extend best wishes of peace, prosperity, and good health as we continue to steer the kingdom forward. I want to thank people of Busoga Kingdom for supporting the King, the kingdom's cultural and development agenda. This proves that the King and the kingdom occupy a central place in the social and cultural lives of the people of this area. The NRM government recognizes the role of cultural institutions as the custodians of the African cultures, customs, and languages. It is not possible to develop culture without involving the traditional institutions. The cultural leaders and institutions have helped to ensure that African vernaculars and customs regarding marriage, etiquette, etc. are preserved. It is important to note that the NRM government restored cultural institutions in 1993 as a symbolic of ancestors' attempts at setting up centralized administration, prerequisite for better organization, production, and welfare of society. In the kingdoms of Uganda, Bunyoro, Ankole, and Toro, as well as the chiefdoms of Busoga, the kings and chiefs had managed to unite scores of clans under single administrations. It is therefore important to celebrate the fact that ancestors attained this level of development in terms of political integration. Your Royal Highness, I want to use this occasion to commend you for rallying your people to embrace the Wealth Creation Campaign. Poverty in Uganda is caused by the fact that 38% of the Ugandan households are still trapped in subsistence farming, i.e. working for the stomach only. This is dangerous in the modern era, where all goods and services needed to sustain life must be bought with money. The NAM's message regarding the socio-economic transformation of Uganda, that there are 4 sectors in the economy where individuals, families, companies, and organizations can create jobs and wealth to guarantee their prosperity. These 4 sectors are commercial agriculture, services, industries, and ICT. Through the wealth creation funds and campaigns, the NRM government has been mobilizing the people of Uganda to select profitable enterprises in any of these 4 sectors. Government has put in place the necessary conditions to ensure the profitability of the enterprise, the good roads, electricity, peace and security, integration of the Ugandan market, the regional market, African and international markets, pursuing policies that favor the private sector. However, these economic advantages that NRM has created must be translated into jobs and wealth for the households in order for this development to be meaningful. The parity development model and the wealth funds are aimed at increasing the number of wealth creators engaged in production in the 4 sectors of commercial agriculture, industries, services, and ICT. Therefore, I thank Busoga Kingdom for prioritizing the wealth creation campaign. It's a great step towards building strong and prosperous families in Uganda and in Busoga. Finally, I want to commend His Royal Highness William Wilberforce Kadumbura, Governor David IV, for promoting unity, tolerance, and coexistence among the people of Busoga Kingdom. You are align with the philosophy of the NRM, which is based on interest as opposed to identity. The NRM came to the conclusion a long time ago that interests are always more important than identity. This is because interests are common to all people. There's no tribal religion that doesn't want a school, a hospital, a road, or electricity. When somebody opportunistically highlights identity, the status of religion, tribe, etc., instead of focusing on interest, he or she acts against people's prosperity. That unprincipled highlighting of identity is a true diagnosis of societal problems. Almost inevitably, it creates friction, resulting into conflict that scares away investments, diverse resources from infrastructure, security, and above all, leads to tension. Therefore, I urge all leaders in the Busoga region to concentrate on working for the legitimate interests of the people. I once again congratulate Royal Highness William Wilberforce Kadumbura, Governor Nadio IV, Chairperson of Busoga, upon reaching the 10th coronation anniversary, and wish you success in your future plans and endeavors. Kenogere mwene nti asanga ireno okubona inde bantu Mama Jovia. Mwe bali nokumpuliriza. Sorry. Bana omwezi guno naigula program ya grow eya sente edokola bakyala either individually or groups. Naye tabakulembesa bona aba district dona women council na league entrepreneurs bali kutandika okutambuza amawulire ayi kyempuliremu nti abantu bali kwemulugunya nti sente ziri ku security nkomye ntejo kanje nkikoleku tubone bakivanga batugoba nti sente zira ku security abakyala bazira security abantu twaida ba mataka gaibwe nolwekyo kanje kirwandise tubone nga kitereera ndakuyida ngere ku nsonga eyo. Perano chairman we Kaliro atuse chairman Kagoda idobire ku baba ni mama sangero okubona okuzwe Kaliro baba yono mulangira ye Kaliro sangero okubona chikiri baine aidiri delegation yone baba fungwa mama tusangaire.